105SL Plus Ribbon and Media Sensor Calibration. Press Setup. Press Next to go to the Media and Ribbon Calibrate menu option. Press the plus button to calibrate the ribbon. The control panel shows load backing. Open the media door. Open the printhead. Remove the labels from about 8 inches or 200 millimeters of the liner. Pull the media back into the printer so that only the liner is between the media sensors. Press plus to continue. The control panel will show Remove Ribbon. Move the ribbon to the side. Close the printhead. Press plus to begin calibrating the media. The control panel will show Calibrating. Please wait. Wait until the control panel changes to Reload All. Open the printhead. Adjust the media and ribbon. Close the printhead. Press plus. Press Setup Exit, then Next Save to save your changes. Close the media door. Press pause. Your media and ribbon sensors are now calibrated.